In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple budget tracker in Google Sheets. We're going to set up a clean, easy-to-use sheet that helps you compare what you plan to spend with what you actually spend and instantly see the difference. Start by opening a new Google Sheets document. A blank sheet gives you a fresh canvas and keeps this tool focused on your budget. Nothing else. At the very top, label the first row with 4 headers: category, planned amount, actual amount, and difference. These will organize your budget. Category tells you what you're spending on. Planned amount is what you expect to spend. Actual amount is what you really spend as time goes on. And difference shows whether you're under or over your plan. Next, in the category column, type the spending areas that matter to you. Common examples include rent, groceries, and utilities. But make this list reflect your life. You might add transportation, subscriptions, or dining out. Keeping categories simple and consistent will make your budget easier to read and maintain. In the planned amount column, enter the amount you expect to spend for each category this month. Think of this as your roadmap. Be realistic here. Budgets work best when they match your actual habits, not ideal scenarios. As the month goes on, use the actual amount column to track what you really spend in each category. You can update this daily or weekly, whatever fits your routine. The more consistently you record transactions, the more useful your budget becomes. Now, let's make the difference column do the math for you. Click the first empty cell under difference. This is usually in the same row as your first category, and type B2C2, then press Enter. This formula subtracts the actual amount from the planned amount. If the result is positive, you're under budget for that category. If it's negative, you've overspent. For example, if you planned 300 and spent 250, the difference will show 50. If you planned 200 and spent 220, it will show 20. If you'd like your numbers to be easier to read, you can format the monetary columns as currency and keep your decimals consistent. And once your first formula is working, you can quickly reuse it for the rest of your categories by copying it down the column. Sheets will automatically adjust the row numbers. That's it. With these columns in place, you've built a straightforward budget tracker that keeps you aware, honest, and in control. Keep your entries up to date, glance at the difference column to spot trends, and adjust your plans next month based on what you learn.